Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Duralast jump starter. Before you begin, always read your specific model's manual for detailed instructions and safety warnings. First, ensure your vehicle is in park or neutral and the ignition is off. Safety is paramount, so wear appropriate eye protection and gloves. Always check your jump starter's charge level. It should be at least 75% charged to effectively boost your battery. This preparation ensures a safe and successful jump start. Now, let's connect the cables correctly. Take the red positive clamp and securely attach it to the positive terminal of your vehicle's dead battery. This terminal is usually marked with a plus sign. Next, connect the black negative clamp to a clean, unpainted metal part of the engine block or chassis away from the battery. It is crucial not to connect the black clamp directly to the negative battery terminal. Double-check that all connections are firm and free from any obstructions. With the clamps securely connected, it's time to start your vehicle. First, turn on your Duralast jump starter unit. Many models will have an indicator light or sound to confirm it is ready to provide a boost. Once ready, attempt to start your vehicle's engine. Crank the engine for no more than 5 seconds at a time. If the engine does not start on the first try, wait at least 1 minute before attempting to crank it again. This allows the jump starter to recover. Congratulations, your vehicle should now be running. The next step is to safely disconnect the jump starter. Always remove the black negative clamp first from the engine block or chassis. Then, proceed to disconnect the red positive clamp from your vehicle's battery terminal. After every use, it is essential to fully recharge your Duralast jump starter. This ensures it is ready for the next time you or someone else needs a boost. Store it in a cool, dry place.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.